Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, so start by opening Zoom's schedule dialog. Pick meeting or webinar and type a clear topic. Set the date, start time, and correct time zone so attendees join on time. Once done, choose duration and whether this repeats, daily, weekly, or custom. Make sure to select video and audio defaults now so you don't change them later. This gets the essential meeting shell ready. You'll refine security and calendar details next. Next, tighten control. Enable passcode or waiting room and decide why. Passcode stops random joins, waiting room lets you admit people. Add alternative hosts or co-hosts for support. Include registration if you need attendee tracking. Configure video/audio permissions and join before host settings depending on how you want attendees to enter. Once done, integrate a calendar. Choose Google, Outlook, or others so invites auto-populate. Make sure notifications are set so reminders go. Save the meeting and add it to your chosen calendar. Google or Outlook will open a draft invite you control. Copy the full invite text and paste into your email or team chat. Include dial-in numbers and explicit time zone to avoid confusion. Once sent, confirm co-hosts received their links. If attendees can't join, make sure the passcode matches and waiting room isn't blocking them. If problems persist, edit the meeting settings and resend the updated invite to fix access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.